These are Fruit of the Loom tank top undershirts, and these are 2XL, and sometimes I'll get 2XL, and I probably wear like a large, maybe even in between a medium and a large, but I like getting XL or 2XL because I like my undershirts really long. So if you're like me, let's do a little measurement. Show how long these are. There's a foot. We're just kind of roughing it here. There's another foot. And we're pretty close to 3 feet to the shoulder. So these are really long. That's half my body. If you're someone like me, that you're in my height range, and you like really, really long undershirts, these are it. If you're someone that's really, really tall, 6'6", these will fit you perfectly. And these are very comfortable. Material's good. I like these a lot. So I hope that helps, and you have yourself a great day.